Salerno, Italy. Salerno rests between mountains and sea. A curve of land that feels both protected and open. The light here is patient. It drifts over stone, climbs narrow streets, and finds color in every surface. Terraces rise like steps toward the sun. Walls hold the memory of centuries. Yet everything still smells of salt and citrus. The hills are stitched with vines and lemon groves. The coast drawn in blue and gold. Every turn in the road feels like a discovery that's already been made. A view so familiar you could have dreamed it before arriving. Salerno stands quiet, content in its own rhythm. A place built for seeing slowly. For hearing the faint echo of water against stone. For feeling the line where land ends and light begins. A visit to the magical chocolate shop is a must. And when the day leans toward evening, the whole town seems to breathe, as if the land itself remembers what it means to rest.